Russian serviceman films an extremely powerful explosion destroying a Russian combat vehicle, yeeting the anti-drone grill into the sky and nearly hitting him.
Уходим! Уходим! Палку, сюда! Никого не задело!
NATO and the United States have obtained evidence of North Korean military deployments in Russia, according to a statement from NATO spokeswoman Farah Dakhlala. The statement was provided to the Interfax Ukraine news agency on Wednesday at NATO headquarters. Allies have confirmed evidence of the deployment of DPRK troops in Russia. If these troops are destined to fight in Ukraine, it will mean a significant escalation of North Korea's support for Russia's illegal war and another sign of Russia's significant losses on the front line, reads the statement. The representative of the alliance added that the Allies are actively consulting on this issue, and representatives of South Korea will provide the information at their disposal to the North Atlantic Council with further discussion of this issue. U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin also stated on Wednesday that there is evidence that North Korea has sent its troops to Russia. South Korea's intelligence chief told lawmakers that there are 3,000 North Korean military personnel in the country who were trained to use drones and other equipment before being sent to Ukraine. Also, Ukraine recently recorded the movement of North Korean troops from a training base in the Far East, deep into Russian territory. Andriy Kovalenko, the head of the Center for Countering Disinformation at the National Security and Defense Council, stated this. He added that Russia initially plans to use Koreans during the fighting in the Kursk Oblast. Straight to hell by an M777 155mm shell. Gunners of the 148th Separate Artillery Brigade precisely neutralized a Russian tank with a pinpoint shot from a 155mm M777 howitzer. Another Russian serviceman testifies about the nullifications in the Russian army. The commander, Pioneer, has a couple of people with him who, at his command, search for and nullify soldiers, primarily for refusing to participate in the meat grinder assaults. This is happening in the 21st century in front of the whole world.
По приказу командира полка 19-го танкового ВЧ 12322, позывной «Пионер», по его приказу два бойца с позывными «Фенич» и «Сказка» в марте месяце обнулили 3 бойцов. Позывной «Элвис», позывной «Прок» и позывной «Малой». Обнулили его «Сказка» и «Фенич», еще раз повторяю. Также по приказу «Пионера», это был май месяц, боец с позывным «Никель» обнулил «Доломита», обнулил «Гориллу» и обнулил «Масяню». «Масяню» у нас с роты В. Из-за того, что ребята отказались идти на FPV-дроны. Также хотели обнулить меня, из-за чего мне пришлось экстренно покинуть зону боевых действий. Контракт у меня закончился. Хотел служить дальше на пользу Родине, но команда не посчитала, что я уже больше не нужен, так я лишний свидетель. До меня эта информация дошла, мне это довели. Поэтому мне пришлось оттуда экстренно уехать. Как-то так. Ну и «Пионер» тот же самый. Выплаты за 3-е ранение мне сказал не выплачивать, потому что я в роли снайпера за 3 суток боя не убил ни одного врага, при этом получил ранение, на нас птичка ночью скинула снаряд. Я не знаю, о чем еще говорить. Это все... Короче, По достоверной информации, которую я точно знаю, при мне это было 6 человек, которых обнулили по приказу пионера. Атлас, ребят тоже бегал, искал там на передке. При мне он бегал, искал только одного, не помню точно позывной уже. Но он нашел в каком-то БДЖ и обнулил. И, кстати, Фенич на нашей точке, где мы жили, там точка эвакуации медиков, он там лично сам из автомата обнулил бойца с позывным «Хаммер». Как-то так.
New mobilization entrapment tactic utilized in Russia. 20-year-old Kirill Vyunov and 6 other army conscripts received $4,000 into their bank accounts despite refusing to sign mobilization contracts. They expect to be sent to Rostov tomorrow and then to the front. The conscripts in Kurgan region attempted to go to the bank to refuse the unauthorized transfers, but are prohibited from leaving the military unit. 2 women in the Ural Mountains city of Perm threw Molotov cocktails at the local office of the ruling United Russia Party, igniting a blaze inside the building. Emergency services told local media that the fire engulfed some 430 square feet of the office, and photos taken from inside the building showed charred furniture and office equipment. According to the Telegram news channel Baza, which has connections to Russian security services, 2 women threw several Molotov cocktails at the United Russia office late Wednesday, and then fled the scene. Eyewitnesses said that one of the arsonist's clothes briefly caught fire during the attack. Police found and arrested the 2 women. Vyacheslav Grigoriev, first Deputy Secretary of United Russia's regional branch, told local media that the arsonists may have sought revenge after the party earlier organized humanitarian aid shipments to occupied Ukraine. According to civil rights NGO Avtozak Live, more than 500 people in Russia have been accused or convicted of arson and attempted arson attacks on military enlistment offices, government buildings, and infrastructure since the full-scale invasion of Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.